Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Let's take a quick look at the major financial markets. Starting with the major indices, we saw a slight downturn in the US markets with the S&P 500 down by 0.35%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling by 0.20%, and the Nasdaq also in the red by 0.15%. Over in the UK, the FTSE 100 index fell 0.19%. However, it was a different story in Japan, where the Nikkei 225 rose by a significant 1.05%. For a more detailed view, please refer to the major market indices performance chart. Moving on to specific sectors, let's touch on AI stocks. Nvidia Corporation, NVDA, saw a rise of 0.54%, Microsoft Corporation, MSFT, was up by 0.60%, and Alphabet Inc., Google, the parent company of Google, also saw a gain, rising by 0.70%. On the other hand, Meta Platforms Inc. Meta took a small hit, down by 0.30%. Amazon.com, Inc. AMZN was the standout performer in this sector, with a growth of 1.18%. You can find a comprehensive breakdown in the sector-wise market performance chart. In terms of top gainers and losers, AMZN led the pack with its 1.18% increase. Meta was the primary loser among the major players in the AI sector, with its shares dipping by 0.30%. For a complete overview, please refer to the top_gainers and top_losers charts. The key market drivers today seem to be a mixed bag of earnings reports and macroeconomic indicators. Negative sentiment over inflation and interest rate concerns were balanced by strong performance in the tech sector, particularly in AI stocks. Looking at the international markets, we observed a divergence in performance between Asian and Western markets. While indices in the US and the UK experienced minor losses, Japan's Nikkei 225 bucked the trend with a gain of over 1%. That concludes today's market briefing. Please keep an eye on those key market drivers and sector movements as they continue to shape the financial landscape. Thank you for your time, and we'll touch base again tomorrow with the latest market updates.